In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first Squarespace site in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a personal blog or setting up an impressive online store, I'll guide you through the entire process, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You'll find this is really easy with guidance through the process and helpful prompts along the way. Don't worry if you're not sure which email to use or what password to create. Just make it something that's easy for you to remember but still secure. Once you've got your account ready, the next step is choosing the right subscription plan that best fits your goals. Squarespace offers different options, whether you're only interested in showcasing your personal blog or you need all the bells and whistles of a fully fledged online store. It's worth taking a moment to read through these options so you can choose wisely. You can always upgrade later if need be. After you've selected a plan, it's time to click on the Create Website button. This is where the magic begins. Squarespace will then guide you through a series of prompts to complete your website creation. This step is crucial as it helps set the foundation for what you want your site to achieve visually and functionally. Now it's time to choose what kind of site you're aiming to build. And here's where the fun part really starts. Squarespace offers a wide variety of templates designed to cater to different needs, whether it's art and design, photography, or e-commerce. Take some time to browse through these templates, which can inspire and help shape your vision for your website. Once you've found a template you like, simply click on Start with this design. It's a painless way to put a professional touch on your new site, and all without needing to know any coding or design skills beforehand. With your design selected, click on Website and then Edit to begin customizing. This is where you can roll up your sleeves and build your site's structure and add the pages you'll need. You can also bring in content using various blocks from text and images to videos and audio clips to really make your site your own. Now, onto the customization of design and style. This is where you get to tweak the aesthetics, colors, fonts, and layouts to better represent your brand. Don't shy away from experimenting with different looks until everything feels just right. Lastly, remember that depending on your site's goal, be it selling products or hosting a portfolio of work, you may need to configure special features. Squarespace offers plenty of configuration options to tailor the experience for your visitors, and there you have it. With these steps, your website will soon be up and running.